Craving some sour cream but want it to be dairy-free? Join me to make a creamy, dairy-free version that's just as indulgent. To make the sour cream nice and creamy, we're going to be using raw cashews. And the first thing you want to do is soak the cashews. You can soak them overnight, or you can use hot water and soak them for about an hour. And once they're all soaked, you want to drain the water. We don't want to reuse that water. We're going to add it to a high-speed blender. Here I'm using a Vitamix. And I'm going to add in some lemon juice, some apple cider vinegar to give it that nice tart taste, some water, and a little bit of salt. You can do salt to taste. And next we'll blend it all up. And once it's blended, I like to scrape down the sides to get any extra sour cream that may scoot up there, and then blend it again. And now it's ready to go. You can see it has a nice creamy texture. The more water you add, the thinner it will be. If you want a denser sour cream, just add a little less water. I'm going to pour that into a jar, and this can be stored in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days, and you can also freeze it. And you can use this sour cream, this vegan sour cream, in all your favorite dishes. And there you have it. Don't forget to grab the full recipe in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more vegan recipes and tips. I'll see you next time with another delicious dish. Happy cooking!